This is not a random yoga video because yoga is not your problem. You have also tried starting right Monday, next month, next year. But somehow you get stuck. Not because you're lazy, but because no one told you how it actually starts. Hi, I am Shivani, yoga instructor at Ekam Yoga. And honestly, most people that I've met, they fail not because of their laziness, but because they don't know how to begin actually. So let's not overthink about it and sit comfortably, eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now move with your breath and feel the movements of your body. See, this is what most people miss. It's not about doing more, it's about doing right. So start small with the right guidance. That's what we exactly do at Ekam Yoga. We don't push you, we just guide you with step by step so that you don't get lost or like quitting again. So don't try harder, start differently. Join Ekam Yoga and begin your journey now. Link in the description. Thank you.